Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, and I'm going to explain all about the new stuff that's coming Builderall and what's going to come up. You can see the pink tie. I'll explain later about that. Right, let me just screen share. 1 second. Let me have a look what I'm doing here. Right then, I'm inside Builderall. And I've got all these things that you can do that you don't know that it does. You can design Google Plus covers, Facebook covers, Twitter covers, and anything else you like. They're in the design studio. This is called the design studio. You can use these templates or start from scratch. So a lot of people don't actually know what's inside, so you can actually do ebook covers, blog headers, you can do flyers, even business cards. So there are so many things that you can do inside this platform, and a lot of people don't actually know their way around this inside the back office. So that is the design bit there. Now, if you'd like to do a, let's say a local business, you can also make any kind of website that you like. Everything's drag and drop, or just change the fonts, change the words, whatever. For instance, let me just show you this one here. This is, that's the bit I wanted to show you. You can have the whizzing in from the left, whizzing in from the right, and you can put timers on. So all you've got to do is go to your local dentist, and if they've got a special offer on, ask them about it, and you can put that on the first page, for example. But there are so many. There is restaurants, health, entertainment, everything that you can possibly find. But I'm not going to, I don't want to concentrate on this bit because I just want to give you a general overview. So, Design Studio, we've got, let's do capture pages next. Let's go for landing pages. Those are ones that you can edit. Look, let me know, the sales funnels are the best ones, because these are already done for you, and you can just 1 sec, if you go on here, you get the videos how to do it first. So for instance, if you wanted to do a lead magnet funnel, now you might not know what a lead magnet is. If you've got a free how to do affiliate marketing from scratch ebook, for example, you could put that on a capture page, affiliate marketing for dummies, who wants a free guide? Then you would put it on this one. So if I just select that one, it describes what the actual thing means just there. And you can just select the template. So you can actually put a couple of emails in as well, and it tells you exactly how to set it up in a 5-minute video. So that is really, really easy. Okay. Also, if you've got a capture page and you've captured someone's email, what do you do next? What do you do with that email address? Now, this is called Mailing Boss, and all you have to do is you access Mailing Boss, and you can, for instance, if it's your affiliate marketing ebook, you could put affiliate marketing ebook there. So you'd create a new list, and then you create a new email campaign which is connected to that list of emails. It's a bit complicated, but you need the name of the list of where the emails are, then the campaign afterwards. So all is going good at the moment. Victor Paredes. I hope you're watching this. He knows why I've got the pink tie. Okay, let's carry on. I'm just going to concentrate on a couple of these because there are quite a lot in here. I'm going to concentrate, well, you can go on SEO page report tool to see if you can actually put a URL in, and you can tell that client that the SEO is not quite right, and you can actually you can show them how you can do it better and make money. So auto post, I've used this a little bit before. So this is if you've got a Facebook fan page. I don't use it all the time because I'm on the ball. You can schedule your post look. So let's have a look. You can add a post in. For example, let's do one here quickly. Motivation. Then get a video, get an image. Choose the file. And then I've got some already made here, but this is really, really easy. Motivation, boom, attract what you expect. There you go. Add, done. Bob's your uncle, Sally's your auntie. You can forward plan a whole month. Okay, you can forward plan a whole month and more. It's really, really easy. Okay. Facebook chatbot, again, that's quite easy to do. It will take about 3 minutes to show you how to do. I'm just going to do you a broad overview at the moment, but if you connect it to your fan page, you can actually say, if you want info, type info below, and then you can program that word info into the bot, and it will send them a private message of your choice. So it could be a 10% discount coupon. It could be your special offer of the week. It could be your sales page for that red lipstick that you were just promoting. It could be anything you like. So if somebody's in a different country and you're asleep and they buy it, you get money while you sleep. This is an all-in-one automatic. It's a business in a box. You can automate anybody's business in this box. Right, next one. You can do a script generator for emails or a sales page on any subject you like. You just answer a few questions and then it'll come back to you with suggested scripts. I have used this before, but you need to just check the English because the sentences might not be quite right. There's a roulette wheel if you've got, you know, you've seen it on the Shopify stores where you can have a little roulette wheel and you can have 10% off, or you didn't win this time, try next time, and you can do that. The new ones since I joined is Builderall's app, which is WhatsApp on Builderall. So you can send people messages, yes, straight to the phone on WhatsApp. Video wrapper, again, if you've got a short video selling, I don't know, a red lipstick. I've been talking to my makeup person this morning. If you've got, say, a nice video of the girl putting the red lipstick on, and then she goes like this. You can actually get a frame around it of any colour you like and change the colours. You can put your phone number on, you can put the web page on underneath, and you can say ring me and smileys, anything you like. So you can make a Facebook ad that stands out. Instagram autoresponder, you can, if somebody replies to one of your, if somebody comments on one of your posts, boom, it's just so cool. But you do need a business Instagram account for that one. It does webinars. It does absolutely everything. You can actually do your own courses in here. It's such a brilliant business in a box. So all of this you can get, and it's free now. Yes, you can get it for free. You no longer have to pay. There is a point system. The points work like this. If you, $1 equals 1 point. You need 140 points to be able to get paid. So if you sell 3 at 50, you've got 150 points, so you get paid. But if you buy it yourself, each dollar is worth 3 points, so you still get your 150 points, and then you can make money. So that's why we're not promoting it as a make money thing anymore, because the new rules are saying that everything to do with promoting it as a money making thing is now illegal. And we've just got to promote this wonderful business in a box that I'm so excited about. So that you get your training and tutorials in here. If you want to get your links, they're all in there. If you've got something wrong or you get stuck on making a web page, you can go there. And basically, that's it. But there's so much in here. Now, guys, one sec. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Stop sharing my screen. La, 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 la. There. Why am I wearing this lovely pink tie? Victor Paredes, who lives in Texas. He knows why I'm wearing it. I bought it especially for him, not because he was wearing one. So Victor Paredes, eat your heart out. But I think you could actually, it doesn't really go with the orange jumper. I've got 2 orange jumpers. So I think I need to get an orange one myself. But I think Victor Paredes, that this actually would look slightly better as a big bow. But then it looks a bit stupid because it's too big. Victor, I think you've started a craze off now. Look, I'm going to have to get an orange one. But actually, if I just slide it down without getting my glasses off and make it as a big bow. Victor Paredes, eat your heart out. If you like to hit the notification button and click subscribe, like, share, comment below. Pink tie if you like the pink tie, or even if you hate it, I don't really care. Just comment, because the more comments I get, the more I get to the top of Google. So Victor Paredes, what have you got to say for yourself? See you on the next video. Bye.